Ayan, so proceed tayo for your example number 1. Okay, so the water table in a soil layer is 1.5 meters below the ground. Okay, so the soil above the water table is also saturated. So ibig sabihin, hindi siya gamma moist, hindi siya gamma dry. It is also a saturated, so gamma sat yan. So saturated unit weight of soil is 20.3 kilonewton per cubic meter. Again, there is no figure given in this problem. So you need to interpret it, you need to analyze by your own. Sabi niya, the water table in a soil layer is 1.5 meters below the ground. This one would be our ground surface. Okay? And then expect that this one would be our water table. And the height from this is 1.5 meters. And then the soil above the water table is also saturated. So ang gamma sat mo dito above water table is 20 kilonewton per cubic meter. Okay. The first question is determine the total pressure at plane A in kilopascal, and A is 4 meters below the ground. So meaning to say, andito yung point A natin. Right? 4 meters below the ground. So, this one is your ground surface. Ito yung 4 meters mo. And from your water table up to your point A, ang magiging distance natin dyan is 2.5. Simply because 4 meters minus 1.5, that is equal to 2.5 meters. First question, determine daw natin yung total pressure at plane A. So, ang total pressure mo dito, solution, letter A, PT at A. Okay? So, dyan, pababa. It would be equal to gamma saturated, gamma saturation, times 4 meters. 4 meters. Bakit 4 meters? Ang concern mo lang is total stress. From this ground surface hanggang dyan is 4 meters. Bakit? Bakit hindi mo ginawang 1.5, sir? Ginawa ko na siyang 4 meters simply because parehas sila ng gamma saturation. Kasi ang gamma saturation mo din naman dito, below your water table, is also 20 kilonewton cubic meter. Okay? Tama ba? Kasi based from this problem, the soil above the water table is also saturated. Saturated unit weight of soil is 20.3 kilonewton per cubic meter. Siyempre, below your water table, saturated yung soil mo dyan. Parehas lang dyan. Okay? So, if hindi, kung sinabi sa problem na meron siyang sariling unit soil unit weight, ito hindi siya saturated o moist lang siya, ang mangyayari, ang total stress natin would be gamma moist times 1.5 plus gamma sat times 2.5. Ayun, nagkataon kasi they have the same unit weight of soil. Right? So, gamma sat, total stress at A is equal to 20 kilonewton per cubic meter times 4 meters. That would be equal to ilan? 4 times 20, 20.3 pala. 20.3. So, this one is 20.3. So, 20.3. Oh, hindi pwede na isang calcule. Okay, 20.3 times 4. So, 81.2. 81.2 kilonewton meter squared, or total stress at A is 81.2 kilopascal. Okay? This one is our answer. And for your letter B, determine the pore water pressure at plane A. So, ang pore water pressure mo lang is yung what? Yung basis mo dito sa pore water pressure is yung water table kapag nasa static case. water table, ito. So, meaning to say, water table dyan hanggang sa point A. So, ang height na gagamitin natin is 2.5 meters. So, gamma of saturated or gamma of water. Siyempre, gamma of water. Kasi we are talking about pore water pressure. Gamma of water times 2.5. So, what's the unit weight of water? 9.81 times 2.5. So, pore water pressure at A is simply equal to what? 0.81 times 2.5. So, that's equal to 24.525. 24.525 kilopascal. So, this one's our answer. And lastly, for your letter C, the effective pressure at plane A. So, effective pressure, effective stress is equal to PE times PT minus PW. Okay? So, 81.2 kilopascal minus 24.525 kilopascal. So, our effective stress at A, or effective pressure at plane A, minus 81.2, okay? It would be 56.675. 56.675 kilopascal. Okay? So, that is an example number 1. Okay. If you have a query, just PM me. Okay, thank you, and again, let's proceed to your example number 2.